Hi guys, let's learn Thai. How to make questions in Thai language. It is super easy when you do the question in Thai language. Because in English, you need to change the structure of affirmative sentence to be question sentence. But in Thai language, you just put the word in the position that you want to know the details. Let's get started. Let's play with the ไปดูหนัง ไป is go, do is watch, หนัง is a movie. So ไปดูหนัง we are going to play with ไปดูหนัง in all questions. The first one, who? If you want to know who went to the movie with her, then you put ใคร at the beginning. ใคร ไปดูหนัง กับเธอ. The second one, whom. Whom means กับใคร or ถึงใคร which is an object. So you just put กับใคร or ถึงใคร at the end of the sentence. เธอไปดูหนังกับใคร. The third one, whose. Whose means ของใคร. It's super easy. You just say that stuff or that object and then you ask ของใคร. For example, whose car is that? You just ask รถนั่นของใคร. The fourth one, what, which is อะไร. You just put อะไร at the position of the details you would like to know. For example, เธอไปดูหนังเรื่องอะไรกับเขา. So you just put the word อะไร at the position that you want to know the details. The fifth one, when or เมื่อไร. You just put the word เมื่อไร at the beginning of the sentence or at the position that you want to know the details. For example, เธอไปดูหนังกับเขาเมื่อไร. So you put it at the end of the sentence. Or you can say เมื่อไรเธอจะไปดูหนังกับเขา. So it means when will you go to a movie with him. The sixth one, where or ที่ไหน. Super easy. You just put ที่ไหน at the end of the sentence. เธอไปดูหนังกับเขาที่ไหน. The seventh one, why, which is ทำไม. You just put ทำไม at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. For example, ทำไมเธอไปดูหนังกับเขา or เธอไปดูหนังกับเขาทำไม. Either one, choose what you want. The eighth one, which, means อันไหน. Or you just put the word ไหน after the object that you want to know. For example, หนังเรื่องไหนที่เธอไปดูกับเขา. So you put the word ไหน after the object that you would like to know. Like in this case, หนังเรื่องไหน means which movie. The last one, how or อย่างไร. Super easy. You just add the word อย่างไร at the end of the sentence. For example, เธอไปดูหนังกับเขาอย่างไร. Which means how did you go to the movie with him? This is how to make question in Thai language. Super easy, right? You just need to know the meaning of who, what, when, where, why, how, or whom, or which. And then you just add it at the position that you would like to know. You don't need to change the sentence structure at all. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to learn Thai with us, come to our school. You are always welcome. ไปก่อนแล้วนะ แล้วเจอกัน See you again in the next video. Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ